What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own.
We're all happy to see you again. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. Well done! We all love your train set. Beam of light. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we help pull? That was amazing! Excellent! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Good job! Super! That was super cool! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Where to now? Right leads to. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! Thanks for helping out. Pick any toy you'd like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back into... Great! Abso-totally! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now?